Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use the follow me lights. This was based on Desmond's recommendation on follow me lights, which is one of the features of the Subaru Forester. So follow me lights are very useful. So for example, like in front of you when you're parked in your house and it's really dark, like what you see right now is really dark. The follow me lights will help you illuminate what's in front of you for a certain period of time to give you enough light to find your house keys or your whatever keys to access where you're going to open a door which is in front of the car, for example, and things like that. And it'll automatically off after a certain period of time. So how to use this is basically what you have to do is the engine's off, the car's off, and just like how you high beam other vehicles while you're driving or when your lights are on, you go to the light switch and you just pull, and as you can see, the light indicator has went on as well. So when you have pulled the light is turned on. When you pull it again, it goes off. So let's try that one more time. I'm gonna pull the lever and the light goes on, and when I pull it again, it goes off. Okay, but how about the other modes? I mean, like, let's say I walked out of the car, will it auto off? Yes, it will. So there are another two modes to this. Let's say if I pull this lever back once, the lights are on, and I'm still sitting in the car. My car keys with me in the car. The light will remain on for a good 3 minutes. Alright, my keys here. I'm in the car. The light will remain on for a good 3 minutes. And I don't think I'm going to like wait for 3 minutes to show it, but that's what I tested. When you're in the car, it'll be on for a good 3 minutes. Okay, so let me turn it off for now. The second mode is when you and your key walk out of the car. So for example, now I'm opening the door, right? And I'm gonna flash. The lights are on. I step out of my vehicle and I lock my car. The lights are still on, and these lights will remain on for just 30 seconds. Alright, let's look around. We have the headlamps on, we have the tail lights on, headlamps are still on, and after 30 seconds, the lights will go off automatically. There we go. So this is the follow me lights. It will help you illuminate the outside of your car to help you look around when it's very dark. And by the way, this video is courtesy from Subaru Forester Club Malaysia. Thank you, and I hope that this video helps all of you.